Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 and welcome to my crafty goals for August/September. If you're new, welcome. This is a collab hosted by Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. The premise is the same way you set goals for your work, for your diet and exercise, a bunch of truly creative individuals set goals for their craft life. It covers things like yarn and needle crafts, paper crafting, craft organization, even social media goals, and whatever the crafter deems important to them. Please check out their videos below, and maybe we'll inspire you to set crafty goals as well. Before I get to my goals, let me take this opportunity to thank you for watching and ask you to please subscribe to my channel. I really am trying to reach 500 subscribers, and it's a slow going process. For my part, I'll continue making free tutorials and showing my crafting projects, but if you would just let me know what you're interested in, like if I show a project and you think that's cool and you'd like a tutorial on it, just let me know in the comments. All right, let's get on with my goals. As I show you my goals, I'm going to show you some of the cards I made. I used a paper pad called Fandango, and these are the last of the projects. So my August goals were, number one, I wanted to complete 2 mini album tutorials. I wanted to post 15 times on Instagram, and I wanted to post 10 YouTubes. I was able to complete the 2 mini album tutorials. I posted at this point, and I still have a week to go, I did 10 Instagram posts and I did 8 YouTube videos, but I still have a week to go. As you may know, I live in my RV and we travel, and sometimes our internet is, well, we didn't have any internet for the past couple of weeks, so I made videos, but it was tough going without the internet. Some other August goals is I wanted to use up 3 paper pads, I wanted to make 25 cards, and my kids came to visit and I wanted to make folios with the photographs of that visit. I used way more than 3 paper pads, I think it was 7. I made 52 cards, and I did make the folios, although I have not shipped 2 of them off. But hold on, let me interrupt today's programming for a word from our sponsor. And actually, it's not the sponsor, but it is Amalia reminding us the word of the month. And the word of the month is simplify. What I do to simplify is in my process of keeping my area clean. As you know, I have a very small area. It's about 7 feet by 7 feet. So I just did a quick video on how I keep my area clean. So you should go check that out. But basically it's, I got rid of a lot of stuff. You know, how many bone folders does one need? And I try to put everything back when I'm done. Because to me, to simplify is to be working on one thing at a time. I mean, I have to because I have such a small area. But also it keeps my brain, which has so much going on because I'm crafty, it keeps my brain focused on what I need to. So that is simplify, which is the word of the month. Okay, for September. All right, so what I want to accomplish for September is I want to post 15 times on Instagram, keeping up with the 10 times on YouTube, and I want to make an introductory video for YouTube. I was talking it over with one of my friends, Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and she thought that would be a good idea for me. So that is on my list of goals for the month. I also would like to use specific pads. I have an Autumn Dream pad I want to use up. I have a Spiced Pumpkin paper pad. And I want to join in this collab hosted by Christian's Crafty Adventures. And I'm probably not going to do all the projects that they do, but I thought, you know what, it's a good time for me to use up my Disney stash. So that is on my list of things to do. Probably get some good tutorials out of that because I've got a lot of journaling cards and things like that that I want to make a couple of cute little mini albums out of. So stay tuned with that. And that's all I have for you today. Again, I really would ask that you go ahead and subscribe and like Hit the bell for notifications if you want to know when the videos are out. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.